G'day everyone, welcome to Riggsys' big day out. So the whole family here, minus the missus, she's at work. But so what have we got planned for today? Well, let's take a look, eh? Let's take a look and see. Okay, guys, so we're going to this fine golden sandy beach up on the west coast in Pori called Yyteri beach. So, you know, great beach there, nice golden sands, reminds me of back home. Take a little bit of the route planning here. So here's we are in Riggsys here, our starting point. We're travelling in a northwesterly direction up the coast, about an hour and 57 minutes past Yyteri, which is Newtown for all you Newtown Jets fans out there from the 80s. Coming up inland a bit around here, lovely freeway, want to get there straight away, powering on up through to Pori, where they have the Pori Jazz Festival. Great little jazz festival that over the weekend. Gets a close to 100,000 people there. Then we shoot out sort of out here out to the beach. So yeah, let's make it happen. Some roadworks there. Interesting. Right, so what does every beach trip need these days? Going out? Well, we've got our towels and swimming gear here. Can't do without that. Sunscreen lotion as well. Some floating devices. Some rings. A kick-ass brushless E-Revo 1/10 scale. A real sand dune monster, this one. Gee, she's not packing lipos, but you know, can go to 120 kilometers an hour with lipos in there. I've just got nickel metal halides, but it gets up to 60. And of course, no family would be complete, or beach trip would be complete without the old drone. You know, a must-have these days, even more so than your sunscreen. Really get those action shots of your kids burning in the sun. And of course, we can't forget the most important people, the kids. G'day, kids.
Hello. Hello.
Where are we going?
Yyteri. Yay.
Yay, see you there. G'day, so coming to you from Rauma, just stopping off to get some food now. Looking good, little ABC here, little pit stop, fuel and all that crap. Kids are stocking up on some Hesburger and so forth. We'll catch you soon. Right, so we've refueled, stocked up on food and petrol. Now going back just to continue our journey. Now if you're ever, wait for this car, Emma. Now if you're ever in Rauma and you get the opportunity to stop at this ABC, well, you know, don't expect Michelin star food here. It does the job, but you know, you're probably best just to take a packed lunch with you next time. Lesson learned. So we'll be continuing the journey now. So there's our little, that's where we are now in Rauma, going up through Pori, then out to that little flag called Yyteri. That's where the beach is. So 71 kilometres, should be there at 1 o'clock. Let's rock and roll. So we've arrived at Yyteri in the car park, quite a large one. Just making our way to the beach facilities. Lovely, lovely stuff indeed. Just coming up onto the beach now. Looking good, lovely sunny day. Beautiful, as we can see. Beach as far as the eye can see. Great golden colour sand we had indeed. So how's the sand, Sammy?
Very good. Last time when I was on this side, it was in Australia.
Ah, so it's as good as Australian sand we hear. That's it. Yes indeed. I mean, this is just like Australian sand, very, very fine and cold, and oh, look at that, just floats away. Oh, hot sand. Haven't had some hot sand in quite some. It's getting hot in here. Okay, let's wrap that up. There they go. Lovely. Lovely stuff indeed. Oh, just going down. Oh, that's lovely clear water. Look at the clarity there. Like a beach in the Med or back home in Sydney. Lovely little shimmering up there. Where are the kids? There they are, Sammy and Emma. Looks like we can walk out quite a way here. Beautiful clear waters. Walking about. Going to have to walk quite a way. Here are the kiddies. Hello.
Hello.
Sammy, Emma. Give us a little bit of showboat in there. Let's carry on. How far can we go? Getting deeper. Oh, look at the kiddies there. Oh, fantastic. You know, some people say, you know, Finland's beaches aren't all that good. Well, they obviously haven't been here. This is world class. Yeah, perhaps no surf, but you know, you're just looking for some nice clear water to go bathing on a hot day. You know, it's 32 degrees at the moment. You know, waves, want to bring the kids along, not always ideal. So this is just perfect for families and kids. Oh, little seal there. There she is. Hello, Emma. Oh. Well, anyway, just see how far we can go out. Pivoting over this way. Gonna have to bring it in now. Hello. Oh, absolutely beautiful. There we go. Oh. So, need something to do in Finland. Get yourself up to Yyteri beach in near Rauma. Absolutely fantastic. Cheers, and we'll catch you later. Bye. Going for some refreshments now. Pretty thirsty. Hot feet.
My feet burning.
Go kiddies. Double time. Got to make it before the feet burn. That old game. There they go. 32 degrees. They're thirsty. Oh, and here we come up to that old Confucius saying: beach, love, and understanding. Who could forget, eh? In case you forget, there it is. Can't remember the last time I had scorching feet. Jeez. Burning on the sand. 2002, South End Maroubra. Scorching it was, 40 degrees summer. Bloody seatbelt buckers would sear you, brand you. Yeah, you knew what car you had by the belt buckle on the side of your hip. The Japanese ones were quite small. Warming up the e-rego here. Connections are good. There's little clips. Reverse. Power, power, power. Ooh. Come on. Watch where you're going. Whoa, nice air there.
Oh my god, that did not happen. Oh my god. My chin.
What?
The freaking tire.
Oh, okay, then it's worn out. I have to replace it, the thread. Anyway, good, well done.
Happy about it.
Yeah, so it's the turnbuckle there, the rear left turnbuckle's gone. The connecting component, the thread's worn on it, so it's come out a few times, so it just doesn't hold anymore. Yeah, some good stuff. All right, so Sammy, thanks for the day.
Thank you. Nice shots.